Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use Kissflow. So, let's get started. Kissflow is a cloud-based workflow automation and business process management platform. It helps businesses automate tasks, streamline approvals, and manage workflows without any coding. From HR approvals to tickets, purchase orders, and finance processes, Kissflow simplifies operations with a drag-and-drop interface, AI-driven insights, and powerful integrations. It's designed to make workflow management easy, fast, and efficient. The best part is the no-code workflow automation. You can create and customize workflows in minutes without relying on it. This is great because it speeds up approvals and reduces bottlenecks. Another advantage is customizable forms and data fields. You can build forms with text fields, drop-downs, attachments, and validations. This ensures accurate data capture, and the best part is it adapts to your business needs easily. Automated task assignments and notifications are another win. Kissflow sends alerts via email, SMS, or in app when action is needed. This is great because it keeps everyone on track and improves team collaboration. Role-based access and permissions provide security. Only authorized personnel can view or edit workflows. This is great because it protects sensitive data and ensures compliance. AI-driven analytics and reporting are another big advantage. You can track workflow efficiency, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. The best part is it helps optimize productivity across the organization. Kissflow is also flexible and scalable. Startups, SMEs, and large enterprises can tailor workflows to their needs. This is great because it grows with your business. One limitation is that advanced analytics and some integrations may require higher-tier plans. Another drawback is that new users might need some time to explore all features. Some businesses with extremely complex workflows may need additional customization support. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.